Hello friends, in this video we are going to look at a simple example of how to use the if and else statement in Java. I'm going to look at this problem from codingbat.com, and the good thing about CodingBat is that you can type the code in the browser itself, and when you hit this button go, it will save, compile and run your code. So let's look at the problem that we are going to study in this video. We're given three integers a, b and c, and our goal is to return the largest integer. So let's see how we can approach this problem. As we have three integers, we create another integer called max, where we store the max of these three values a, b and c. Now we are going to first compare between a and b. So that's what we are going to do. So let's write down this comment. Find the max of a and b. The reason is that we are first going to find the max of a and b and then store this value in max. And then we are going to compare it with c. Okay, so now let's see how we can find the max of a and b. For this, we are going to use the if statement. Essentially, the code that we are going to write is the following. If a is greater than b, then what we will do is we will assign a to this variable max. This is because a is greater than b and hence a will be stored in max. Otherwise, which is known as this else statement, else we will assign b to the variable max. So we're taking b and assigning it to max. Okay, so now after this part of the code executes, what is going to happen is that the max of a and b will be stored in this variable max. Now we have to check it with c to see which one is the largest variable or the largest value among a, b and c. So next we'll write this particular comment. Find the max between the variable max and c. So that's what we're going to do. Once again, we're going to write this simple code, which is we're going to check c against max. If c is greater than max, then what we are going to do is we are going to assign c to this variable max. Otherwise, whatever was the max between a and b would be stored in max. Now at this point, we have found the largest among all these three integers a, b and c, and that largest value is stored in max. Hence, at this point, what we are going to do is we are just going to return the variable max. So having done this, our code is complete, and all that we have to do is press this button go. Now we will see that the code actually runs. All these test cases pass. So at this state, what we can understand is that the code runs, and this is the beauty of CodingBat, that there are a whole bunch of test cases that have been coded, and if your code passes all these test cases, it's just going to give you this all correct result. Okay, so with this, I'll complete this video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and do watch the rest of the videos in this playlist. Thank you for watching.